This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your personal hotspot on your iPhone. So you can see on my Android phone right here I can connect to my iPhone. It says Tim's iPhone. This is very easy to do. All you need to do is go to Settings. Then under Settings you can see there's Personal Hotspot right here. Just go to it. Tap it. And then we can go to Allow Others to Join. And then we have the Wi-Fi password right here. We can make it super long or weird like the one they have in there. So let's just do something easy like Timothy1 for right now. And then go to the check mark. Then we can go down and we should be able to go to a different device now and connect it. So like maybe a laptop or something like that. And then go to the internet options. We can just hold down on that button. And then scan for networks. So we can scan on the top here. So let's turn on Wi-Fi and just start scanning for networks to connect to. And Tim iPhone will appear on here. So whatever your name is probably going to be just Tim's iPhone or something like that, for example. Then type in the password. Mine was Timothy1. Just make sure it's correct. That is not correct. And we should be good. Nope, we're not good. Timothy1. Okay. Let's go to connect. And now we should have data from our iPhone on our other devices. Very easy. Hopefully this video didn't help you out.